Computer accounting and bookkeeping modules. A computerized accounting bookkeeping system includes modules, major tasks and subtasks that include commands, instructions that process the data, and a database of files made up of records and fields that store the data. In other words, different sections that deal with different areas of accounting. All the different modules make up the complete computerized accounting and bookkeeping system. The software nowadays often allows the user to select only the modules the business needs. Computerized accounting and bookkeeping use the modules as a guide in developing a menu system that allows users to pick what they need to do, such as invoice customers or record cash receipts. Templates forms are also used as an aid for entering necessary information. These systems are known as integrated systems that allow data to flow seamlessly from one module to another. You get a real-time picture of the business financials, since everything flows into the accounting system as soon as transactions are processed. Employees are more efficient, too, as they are not wasting precious time entering the same information twice or more, or checking that one function is consistent with another. What are some common basic modules included in bookkeeping software? Let's see. Chart of accounts, general ledger, cash receipts, cash payments, sales accounts, receivable, purchases accounts, payable, inventory. Each module is organized into 5 basic activities. 1. Setup. The first step in implementing a computer bookkeeping system is to set up all the modules that you will be using. What do I mean? Some initial setup involves setting up your chart of accounts, very important, bank accounts, customers, suppliers, and products. If you're moving from a manual or different computer system, you'll need to enter your beginning balances. 2. Main file s. All modules have main file s. All the modules allow you to add, enter, edit, change, and delete records and fields. 4. Data entry and processing. The modules provide you with templates, forms to enter, change, delete, or view information and automatically update any necessary files. 5. Report generation. Queries. Printing. The product of a bookkeeping system is the information provided. The modules provide reports, queries, lookups, and the ability to print hard copies. What ties all the modules together? A menu